this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Samsung phone is not turning on. Now, you want to make sure that your phone is properly charged. So if you look at the little charging port here, the USB-C, make sure there's no debris in here. If there is, just try to blow it out. And clean this out the best you can so you can actually make a connection with your charging cables. Now, plug in your charging cable. And if you do have the one that came with the phone, if that one's not working, try a different one. So you can just plug this one. I think this one came with maybe, I don't know, maybe like an iPhone or a Google device or something like that. And you may have like a bunch of these little chargers just laying around. You could try a couple different ones to see if this actually gets the phone to turn on when it's just like on the home screen here or something like that, or when the screen is off. You should see the battery charging symbol pop up, and then just plug into the wall outlet. So try different combinations of cables and chargers and see if that works. So I'm just going to use the Samsung fast charger. It's probably best to use the actual products that came with the phone. And then to get it to turn on, you want to leave this charging maybe for 20 to 25 minutes and get to maybe like 10% to 15% of battery. And if your phone is a little bit older, like 5 to 7 years, you could be having battery issues with your phone. And one of my phones, actually the battery started expanding from the back of my phone, and it eventually popped out the case. So they do have a time limit before that actually happens on some of the older models, I guess, from what I've been reading. And that is a common issue. So once you get to about 10 to 15%, try different combinations of holding down the power button. So you can try holding down the power button and the volume down, and this should force restart it. So you can try this combination. You can try volume up, and just tap this a bunch of times, and do this volume up and volume down, and see if this gets it to turn on. You never know. So that's the biggest issue, is probably just getting enough charge in your phone, and then just holding down the buttons on the side. And then it should turn on. If not, you might have a bad battery at the moment. Now you could look into other options. If it's not charging with the charging cable, they do make devices that are wireless chargers or charging devices like this. I'm not sure if your phone will support it, but on some of the higher end models of Samsung phones, they do. And you might have this in your car or your vehicle. I know Chevy does. But you just place it on there, and then it will start charging. It will charge through the back of the cover. You don't have to go through the charging port on the bottom. So you can maybe look at those. Maybe you have one of those just lying around, maybe on your vehicle or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.